What's up? What's up? Right now, I'm experiencing the beauty of Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. As I did my earlier two videos, one in the Sharjah Aquarium and the next one in the Sharjah Maritime Museum. Now I'm at Al Majaz waterfront. You can see the Al Majaz waterfront. This is the entrance. My friend Jude is over there. So 3 videos I'm doing with him. Let's go in this. I can see a ticket booth over here. Mr. Jude, don't we have to buy a ticket?
No, it's for the play area.
It's only for the play area. So it's a free entrance for this park.
Yes.
Unlike another park or Al Qusays Park, this is Sharjah.
It's free
Everything
entrance.
is cheap in Sharjah, except those water parks. So what I love about these parks, every park area, it has a made-up beach, kind of a lake or something, where the boats are riding, and unfortunately we cannot go for a boat ride, but we can enthuse the beauty of the park. I can see children get together, families here, people are jogging, play area. Nice to see this place. And in fact, we expect somewhere to sit and eat, or we can go to our favorite restaurant, what do you call that restaurant? Al Fanar.
I forgot that.
Oh, I see the water area. Nice to sit and take some shots over there. Beautiful place. Okay. 20, 40. Thank you. One ticket for you and one is for me. Let me put my wallet in my pocket. Okay. We bought tickets. Normally, if we want to take a private boat, just me and my friend, just alone, it will be 90 dirhams for a boat. But we was just begging. I was just bargaining. I said, come on, we just two. Okay, there are no customers at all. So I was bargaining with that lady, and she said, okay, we'll wait for, if there are no customers, we'll give for 20 each. So 20, 40 dirhams for both of us, me and my friend, to go in a boat ride. So from 90 dirhams it came down to 40 dirhams, 20 each. So we're gonna go inside that boat. Can we go in the boat now? Okay, let's go. We can sit in the boat. We are going to sit inside the boat until the boat will be filled with the passengers. If no passengers, only me and my friend, still the price will remain 20 each. Okay.
I don't think, no, this is not the one.
This is not the one? You mean that's the one?
බලමු ටිකට් එක එක්කෙනෙක් දිරාම් 20යි ගත්තේ අපි ප්‍රයිවට් බෝට් එකක් ගන්නවා නම්
Dirham 20 means 20 dirhams.
දිරාම් 90
Huh? You coming here? Okay. So man, what do you call the guy who is riding the boat? The boat driver told us that he will bring the boat here, I don't know why people are so dirty. They are recycling trash in the water, which is ridiculous. This kind of people ruin the countries. Dubai is a very clean country. I mean, Sharjah included, but people are recycling trash on the water, the cups, papers and stuff, which is really bad. Look at that building. It's beautiful. You know, Sharjah itself has quite beautiful buildings compared with Dubai. Okay, we'll wait for the boat rider to bring the boat here, then we'll get in the boat. Okay, see you when you see me. Already we can get in. All right.
Sharing a private?
Sharing. We not that rich to do private.
Now it's Corona time.
Corona time, I know. Man, the boat is a bit shaky. It's going here and there. That's it. Wow. I like what I see. One boat is coming towards here. Wow, I love what I see. For the first time I'm going on a boat ride in Sharjah. The last time I went for a boat ride was in Dubai Creek, which was in Southside. Look at the beauty. What I see. Boat is going to the same place where we get going from, yeah? But we don't know anything about the other side.
No, if you want to drop, no problem. This side also have our location.
No, we want to go back to the same place where we got
Fine.
in. Yeah. The most beautiful scene I like to see when I'm going on a boat ride is the engine. The engine is right here, the motor, and the water bubbles going up and down, which gives an aesthetic view, which is beautiful. Sharjah Hilton Hotel. Over here. I can stand here, right? Is it? At the edge of the boat. Come over here, man. Take a Titanic shoot. I can be the check. You can be the Ross. No, it's safe. It's balanced. Come and stand. Take some shots. It's safe. I love the breeze. It's windy. I do not feel hot anymore. Am I floating? Yes, I am floating. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We are back. Back in the track. It's getting dark in Sharjah right now. So we are heading to a restaurant to eat something. Very hungry and thirsty. Isn't it? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go then.